Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge your watch above 50% and enable Bluetooth on the phone so pairing won't drop. Open the updated WatchMate app and sign in. This creates the secure key the watch will accept. Once signed in, grant permissions for location, Bluetooth, and notifications so background syncing works. Make sure phone Wi-Fi is stable. Even though pairing uses Bluetooth, the app fetches settings online. Now tap Start Pairing to begin the active connection phase. You now focus on the pairing handshake. In the app, choose the exact watch model to load the right firmware profile. When the app and watch show a numeric code, confirm it on both devices to establish trust. This prevents accidental pairings. Once paired, the app will sync settings, watch faces, notification filters, and activity goals, so review those toggles. If you want calls and calendar alerts, permit contacts and calendar access. This ensures the watch displays relevant notifications without delays. You finish by running the guided calibration and any firmware update. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life, so install them now. After updates, force a manual sync and test notifications, incoming calls, and an activity recording to verify end-to-end function. If anything goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and clear the phone's Bluetooth cache before repairing. If problems persist, log out and back into the app to refresh your account tokens and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.